In this video, we shall learn about lazy loading in the browser. Lazy loading is a technique where images load only when they are about to appear on your screen. Instead of loading everything at once, you will load just what's needed. Think of it like a restaurant. You don't serve every dish in advance. You serve food only when the customer arrives. Without lazy loading, your website tries to load every image upfront, even though far below the fold. This can make your site slow, especially on mobile. With lazy loading, your site feels faster and use less data and gives a smoother browser experience. With the lazy loading, the browser checks when an image enters the viewport, the visible part of the page, and loads it then. Modern browser makes it this super easy with the loading equal to lazy attribute, but you can also implement it using JavaScript or libraries. The result: your page loads faster, users stay longer, and you save them from waiting for unnecessary images to load. Just like in a restaurant, customers enjoy their meal more when it's served fresh and right when they need it.